What's up, guys? It's Brooklyn and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be mixing 3 different clays into slime. So I'm just gonna take a bit of the slime and I'm gonna put some clay into it. So yeah, that's basically how it's gonna work. So first slime, it's a really good slime, I think. So the first thing that we're going to make, I'm going to use this big pound of air dry clay and see how it works. So let's take a bigger piece. Let's take some of that since it's air dry clay. I'm just going to close it up. Okay, so we've got slime. I'm actually going to put it on a lid. Okay, it's like really sticky. Okay, mix the slime in. Oh my, it's like way more sticky. It's like ew, I think it's melting. Oh my gosh, guys, it's melting. Oh, what am I gonna do? Okay. I didn't really expect it to melt. It just like won't mix in. Okay, I have to. Oh my goodness. Oh no. Oh no. I can't. I don't know what to do. I don't even like. I'm just gonna do that. I have no idea what to do. It's all. I'm a slime monster. Okay, do I have like, I don't even, oh my goodness, did I even bring any, what? Okay, I didn't bring napkins. I didn't really expect, these are like used wet wipes. It's kind of like, ew, so gross. I honestly did not expect it to melt. Like, I thought it would be like really hard or something. No, it melted. Okay, so, got a bunch of toilet paper stuck to me now too. Oh my goodness! Toilet papery hands. I'm gonna take this slime. Wait, no, that was toilet paper. Okay, I'm gonna take this slime and I'm gonna put. Ew, this clay's wet. Okay. I'm gonna put some of this clay. This is like also air dried clay. I'm gonna put some of this in. Okay, it's not melting it. That is a bright. Oh, that's a bright slide. It's not really mixing in either. Okay. I'll come back to you when it's mixed in fully. Okay, so like this is the final product, whatever, however you pronounce it. It's not that good. I wouldn't say it's good. It's not very stretchy, and like it's like kind of sticky, but like it's better than the last one because the last one melted. So yeah, so that's this one. Now I'm gonna add. Actually, hold on. How well does it poke? I mean, like, not well. Okay. Let's take this bit. It pokes, clicks, good. I'm gonna take, I already have this ready, and you just knead it. Knead it. Hi. Just to make it like soft so it can mix easier. I've made that mistake before. Make it nice and soft so it can get, and then just mix it in. I like the TV going in the background. Okay, it's not melting it either. Slowly mixing in, so slowly. So I'm gonna come back when it's done because it's mixing slowly. Okay, sorry for the TV in the background. I think I already said that. But this is the final result. It's not like there's still clumps in it. It's not fully mixed in, but definitely stretchy. And got those bubble pops. Just kind of clicky. I don't know. Let's see. Can she spread like butter? Yes. Okay. This is a true butter slime. It is. I like it. Okay. I really like it. Ow, I just like caught myself with my nails. Don't judge me. It's a small slime. I have to poke it like that. So awkward to poke it like that. But yeah, this is the final result. So put this to the side. Actually, you know what? Let's mix these two together and see what happens. Can't mix the other one together because like it's melted. It's melted. Oh my goodness. Ew, and actually it's ugly. It looks so gross. Oh, now it's just like slowly turning the pink, the same pink color, just slowly. And then it's like more thick. It's actually nice. It's not as stretchy though. Oh! Okay. Yeah, definitely not as stretchy, but it's not as clicky or anything. I mean, like it's still stretchy. It's just not as stretchy. And overall, it's pretty good. Slime smoothie with 2 slimes. See, does it spread? I mean, like, not super good. But, I mean, I guess it does. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I can put Gone Wrong in the title because of the melted slime, which is an upside. But I hope you guys enjoyed. It's really messy, on the first slime. So yeah, see you in the next video. Don't miss me too much. Bye.